The equation of a straight line when y is a function of x is y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient of the line and c is the y-axis intercept. Now we know there is a linear relationship between Fahrenheit and centigrade, so let's use this equation to find out just exactly what it is. If y equals Fahrenheit and x equals centigrade, all we need to do is, knowing a few points, plot them on a graph, which we can then analyse, and from which we can then find the correct values of m and c. Now we know from watching the weather forecast that 32 degrees Fahrenheit equals 0 degrees centigrade. Therefore we can plot this point on the graph. Also 50 degrees Fahrenheit equals 10 degrees centigrade. And 32 degrees centigrade equals 89.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's plot these points on the graph also. Now, the gradient of the line is easy to work out. It is merely 50 minus 32 divided by 10 minus 0, i.e. 18 over 10, or 1.8. We can now see also that the c equals 32, i.e. the value of Fahrenheit when centigrade equals 0. Therefore, the equation of the linear relationship between Fahrenheit and centigrade is F equals 1.8c plus 32. Wow, what a result. Also rearranging, C equals F minus 32 divided by 1.8. Now draw a larger graph to verify that the boiling point of water, 100 degrees centigrade, equals 212 degrees Fahrenheit.